This year, for 2020, the Arckit team is deeply invested on the educational aspects of Arckit as a strong design tool within the classroom. Our message today is about empowering the minds of students through architecture. Take a look at one of our most recent workshops from earlier this year and have a listen to their experience.
My name is Mike Santalupo, and I teach design at John Paul Catholic Secondary School in London, Ontario, Canada. I had the pleasure of hosting a 3-day Arckit workshop in my design classes with both junior and senior students. Specifically, when my students work through the design process, they are asked to fabricate a scaled architectural model, either at the beginning of the process to explore possible ideas and concepts, or at the end to validate their designs. The Arckit set supported students in their exploration and learning environment. Not only were students able to visualize in three-dimensional the scope of their designs, they also were able to work through the design process with great precision and accuracy, manipulating and remodeling their concepts. More so, Arckit encourages and facilitates collaborative learning, transforming a traditional classroom into a design studio. I would highly recommend Arckit as a learning tool in any design program.